Hello and welcome. Today I will be putting this Hoover 9kg 1500 RPM visiondynamic dyn9154dbx through its test cycle. First of all, what you need to do is hold the stain blast button and then turn to cottons. Everything lights up like that, and then take your finger off after about a second or so. Then press the start button. Then fills as well as that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it is squirting the water in on the side of the drum as well. That's now taking in the conditioner. It is now draining. Everything is now flashing, which says that it's finished and not found any problems. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.